And then I said, check, please. Okay, let me call you back. I have to take this. Hi, you've reached Invested Inquiry Institute. This is Lauren Simmons from Money Diaries. How can I help you?
Hey, Lauren, my name is Cleo. I've been working really hard trying to save and grow my money, but it's been tough. What am I doing wrong?
Hey, Cleo. Well, let's take a look and figure this out. I'm pulling up your file right now. Girl, I see what you mean. But not to worry, I've got you covered. First off, you're gonna wanna define your short and long-term goals. Do you wanna be a homeowner, go on a vacation, or start that cake decorating business? This will put some shape around the next steps we take. Next up, budget time. You'll wanna make a budget by assessing how much you spend so you know what you have available to save. Total up every coffee, cab, and candle. Also, consider cutting back on extras. The more you can free up your income, the more savings you can potentially have. Once you have those savings, you can look at potentially compounding them through investing.
What is investing?
Investing is the allocation of money or capital with the expectation of gaining profitable returns as interest, income, or appreciation in value. There are many financial products available, but if you're just starting out, an easy way to jump in is by purchasing what's called stock. Stock is a type of security that represents a share of ownership in a company. When you purchase a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of that company. This is a share.
I'm learning so much, but I feel like this is a lot to take on, especially with my schedule lately.
Trust me, I get it. Everyone is so busy these days, but luckily there are several apps like Robinhood that make it incredibly easy to get started right from your phone.
You're right, this makes sense.
But Cleo, remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Risk is inevitable. I'm not encouraging one route or the other, but you'll need to evaluate your goals and risk and see what you can take on. Okay, let's review our steps. Define your short and long-term financial goals. Assess your spending habits over the course of a month. Budget based on your bills and financial obligations. Use algorithmic-based saving tools and services when possible. Invest if you're willing to accept the risk.
Wow, I feel like I've wrapped my head around this, finally. Thanks so much, Lauren.
Of course, and at the end of the day, just realize that fiscal success looks different for everyone. Create your own definition, know what works for you, and invest in that. Thanks for calling in.
Will do. Take care.
Well, another case closed here at the Invested Inquiry Institute. Thanks for watching. Until next time.